watching Star 9 News.
मुंबई पुलिस प्रवक्ता डीसीपी प्रणय अशोक ने कहा, मुंबई पुलिस का ऑर्डर काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। मुंबई शहर में ओवर क्राउडिंग पर अंकुश लगाना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है और यही वजह है कि मुंबई में बिना काम अपनी कार या मोटरसाइकिल को 2 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा दूर ले जाने पर अगर मुंबई पुलिस नाकाबंदी में पकड़ती है तो फाइन लगेगा या फिर कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी। अगर आपको घर से बाहर निकलना है गाड़ी लेकर और 2 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा दूर जाना है, या तो एसेंशियल सर्विस मेडिकल सर्विस के लिए आपको निकलना होगा या ऑफिस जाने के लिए। अगर आप बिना काम घूमने बाहर निकलते हैं, जैसे कि बाज़ार शॉपिंग करने वालों के लिए या फिर समुद्र चौपाटी घूमने वालों पर कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
This is an appeal to all Mumbaikars. While a lot of activities have been allowed under the Mission Begin Again guidelines issued by the state government, making it easier for people to move, the threat of COVID-19 still persists in the city. It is absolutely necessary that we all follow the norms of personal safety and social distancing. However, many people are still found violating these norms and thus endangering the health of their self and of those who are in their vicinity. Mumbai Police appeals to all citizens to adhere to the guidelines issued by the state government strictly and to ensure the following while moving outdoors. Movement outdoors should be restricted for essential activities only. While moving outdoors, wearing of face masks is absolutely necessary. Any movement for the purpose of visit to shops, market, salons, marketplaces, barber shops, etc. should be restricted to a radius of 2 kilometers only. No movement is allowed beyond this radius and it is completely prohibited. Similarly, any movement for the purpose of exercise shall be restricted to a radius of 2 kilometers within which the open spaces, public open spaces, can be used for exercising. Movement outside this radius from the place of residence is allowed only for official purposes or for medical emergencies. During your visit outdoors, following social distancing is absolutely compulsory. The night curfew is enforced in the city between 2100 hours and 500 hours, and it is absolutely prohibited to move outdoors for any other purpose other than medical emergencies or essential activities. Strict action will be taken against all such violations and the violators will be penalized heavily. Any vehicle found plying without a valid reason and beyond the radius mentioned will be impounded and heavy fines will be imposed. It is our sincere appeal to all citizens to follow these guidelines strictly. The onus of ensuring that we beat COVID-19 lies on us now, and it can be achieved only when we all cooperate and follow these norms